Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your reputation with Trustpilot easy tutorial step by step clearly. To protect your reputation with Trustpilot, start by creating an account on their website. Visit trustpilot.com and click on the sign up button. Fill out the required information, including your email address, password, and business details. Once your account is created, log in and navigate to your business profile. Complete your business profile with accurate and relevant information about your company. Add your logo and a brief description to enhance brand visibility. Next, verify your business on Trustpilot. Follow the steps provided for verification, which may include confirming your email and business address. After verification, invite customers to leave reviews. Craft a personalized invitation email that encourages feedback. Make it easy for customers by providing direct links to your Trustpilot profile. Monitor incoming reviews regularly to stay informed about customer feedback. Respond to reviews promptly, thanking customers for positive feedback and addressing concerns in a professional manner. Encourage satisfied customers to share their experiences to build a positive reputation. Utilize Trustpilot's features to showcase positive reviews on your website and social media. Regularly update your customers' experience and maintain an active presence on the platform. Continuously analyze feedback and leverage insights to improve your services. Stay engaged with your customers and foster a transparent dialogue through Trustpilot. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance and protect your reputation with Trustpilot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.